Hello everyone, I'm Alvin Edley, CEO of the Venus Cup Company. First of all, I want to thank you for your time. Guys, I'm 100% sure that you guys have bought beverages like coffee, bubble tea, and any more. Do you know about biodegradable cup? Okay, today I would like to introduce you about our company, the Venus Cup. Venus Cup is an environmental friendly paper cup manufacturer that was founded in 2020. Has a big mission to contribute to increasing awareness of environmental issues due to the use of plastic. To ensure the environmental impact of the food and beverage industry, we provide environmental friendly and affordable paper cup. Okay guys, as you can see in the graph, plastic waste is very difficult to recycle. We can see here in 100, in 19 and 60, plastic waste only end up in landfills and increase from year to year until 19 and 90, plastic waste could be recycled by but only less than 1% of total plastic waste and 20% of it was used for energy generation by burning non-waste recycled trash, which is still debating its impact of the environment, and the rest just end up in landfills. In the following year, plastic waste has increased rapidly until 2015. There is total 35.5 million tons, and worse, only 3 million tons of plastic waste can be recycled, and 5 million tons are burned for energy. The rest is disposed of in increasing landfills. The day one, so that's a lot of garbage is finally waste in the sea and kills many marine animals. Therefore, we print eco-friendly paper cups which can decompose in just 1 year after use. And again, our cup can become fertilizer for the soil, so it will really help in maintaining soil quality. And because we have our own printing factory, we can print 100 cups per day so that orders are completed quickly and of course at very affordable price. And also we can print the design that the customer requests. If the customer doesn't have the design, we can we have a team to help the customer to make their design. Our goals are to become number one environmentally friendly paper cup company by providing the best service for all our customers and contributing to reducing the use of plastic cup by the food and beverage industry in Indonesia. And we hope to help the government or activists to go green by holding a forest revitalization event by planting 1,000 trees every year. As you can see, this is our product. We have single wallpaper cup and double wallpaper cup. Our single wallpaper cup are made from single layer high quality cardboard. These cups are perfect for both cold and hot drink. Sometimes when the drink is too hot, you might also need to use a cardboard sleeve to protect your hands. And this single wallpaper cup available in many sizes like 4 oz, 8 oz, 12 oz, and 16 oz. Next, we have our double wallpaper cups are made from two-layer high-quality cardboard. These cups are usually used for hot drinks, as the two layers of cardboard are better suited for protecting the hands from very hot drinks. And this double wallpaper cup is available in many sizes like 8 oz, 12 oz, and 16 oz. And of course, customer can customize their cups in just a few very easy steps. First, customer just chose the, the cup that will be ordered, such as choosing the type of paper cup, size, and coating such as matte or gloss. Second, customer just need to upload the design that have been made or design their own or assist by our team via online. Last, after the design step, the customer just order and make the payment. And in a few days, a beautifully designed paper cup will come to the customer's place. For our target, we will be targeting the food and beverage industry for our main target. And our marketing team has conducted research to do online marketing by utilizing online media such as Instagram, Facebook, and Google Ads. Because according to the research of our team has done, this method is very effective in reaching our target market so that sales will be increased. I think that's all my presentation about our company. If there is a wrong word in the presentation, I apologize. I hope we can work together in the future. Thank you.